Have you ever embarked on a journey that promises to transform you, not just physically, but spiritually? Each year, countless individuals find themselves driven by a desire that goes beyond the ordinary tourist trip, stepping into the realm of the pilgrim. But what constitutes the line between a pilgrim and a tourist? In today's exploration, we venture into the lesser-known Christian pilgrimage sites hidden in the corners of the world and the remarkable stories they tell. Before we embark on this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to stay updated on our latest adventures. Our first stop takes us to the serene and mystical town of Vézelay in France, a location that stands quietly aside from mainstream tourist routes. This quaint town hides an enchanting basilica, the Abbey Church of Mary Magdalene. Vézelay lies on one of the main routes of the Santiago de Compostela pilgrimage, but it offers a spiritual experience all its own. According to legend, this basilica houses relics of Mary Magdalene herself, drawing pilgrims who seek solace and a touch of the divine. Through the years, Vézelay has been a place of meet and reflection, a crossroads of spirituality and history. It is where pilgrims ponder deeply, contrasting their journey from mere sightseeing to a quest for existential truths. Afterwards, we move to the rugged landscapes of Armenia, where we find the ancient monastery of Khor-Virap, towering over the plains with the majestic Mount Ararat as its backdrop. Khor-Virap offers more than just a magnificent view. This site purports the dungeon where Saint Gregory the Illuminator was imprisoned for 13 years, only to emerge as the enlightener of Armenia, helping it become the first nation to adopt Christianity as a state religion. Pilgrims journey here to connect with the profound sense of faith and resilience embodied by Saint Gregory's story. Like many tourist sites, Khor-Virap invites visitors to not just look, but to pause. As the wind whispers stories of the ancient past, pilgrims find themselves reflecting on themes of endurance and transformation. Next, we delve into the lush green hills of Ireland, near the small village of Knock. It was here in 1879 where 15 villagers witnessed an apparition of the Virgin Mary, a sighting that has transformed this quiet village into a major pilgrimage site. The Knock Shrine attracts many who come in search of healing and profound spiritual experiences. While some might pass it off as another religious site, for pilgrims, Knock is a place of personal journeys where faith is often rekindled and hope restored. Here, the line between the pilgrim and the tourist is drawn clearly by the intentions of the heart. Whereas a tourist may seek a glimpse into the past, a pilgrim finds peace in the quiet anticipation of divine grace. Heading to the shores of Lake Tana in Ethiopia, we find the mystical Debre Damo Monastery, accessible solely by ascending a sheer cliff face. This site is unique as it restricts entry to male pilgrims, continuing traditions that have sustained its monastic life for centuries. Legend states that an angel lent a hand to the monastery's founder, Abuna Aragawi, to climb the cliff, imbuing this site with a sense of miraculous initiation. Pilgrims who journey here often draw strength from this story, confronting the physical challenge before them as a metaphor for spiritual ascent and enlightenment. While tourists may balk at the physical demands, pilgrims embrace it as part of the path, letting it symbolize their commitment to seeking wisdom beyond the worldly. Finally, we journey to the highlands of Peru, to the lesser-known sanctuary of Coilor-Riti. Although not exclusively a Christian pilgrimage, it integrates Andean traditions with Catholic elements, exemplifying the profound cultural synthesis that can occur when belief systems intertwine. Every year, the festival at Coilor-Riti attracts thousands as they celebrate the Lord of Coilor-Riti amidst the snow-capped Apus, or mountain spirits. This festival is not just a feast for the senses, but a spiritual confluence, where pilgrims partake in an extraordinary communal experience that transcends cultural boundaries. It is here that the pilgrim's spirit comes alive amidst dance, song, and reverence. In conclusion, while the tourist seeks sights and experiences, the pilgrim searches for meaning and connection. Each of these obscure Christian pilgrimage sites offers not just a journey, but an opportunity for introspection and transformation. These tales remind us that the paths we choose are reflections of the quests we hold within our hearts. Are we tourists in life, skimming the surface, or pilgrims delving deep into the essence of existence? Perhaps it's a journey worth contemplating on our personal paths. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your thoughts and reflections. Till our next adventure, may your journeys be both meaningful and enlightening.